Looking for a smart speaker with rich sound and smart home control? The Google Nest Mini Speaker delivers hands-free help with Google Assistant and solid audio performance. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Google Nest Mini Speaker, from its features to how it performs in everyday use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, Google Nest Speaker, a charging cable, and an instruction manual. If you're interested, Google Nest Mini Speaker, don't worry. I have dropped the link in the description, so you can grab it directly from Amazon. How to on. Plug in the power cable to your Google Nest Audio. Connect it to a wall socket. The speaker turns on automatically. No buttons needed. Set up with app. First, download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store and open it. Sign in with your Google account. Tap the plus icon, select your home, then tap Nest Audio when it appears. Follow the on-screen prompts and allow permissions. Setup will finish in just a few moments, and your speaker will be ready to use. Smart feature. Powerful sound. Google Assistant. Smart home control. Multi-room audio. Voice match technology. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Adaptive audio. Privacy controls. Play from room to room. Move whatever you're listening to from one Nest speaker or display to another as you move around the house. Hey Google, move my music to the kitchen speaker. Hey Google, move my music on the den speaker. Hey Google, play music downstairs. Apps used by YouTube Music, Spotify, Pandora, Sirius XM, Google Calendar, Google Maps, Philips Hue, Tiley, iHeartRadio. Thoughtfully designed. Hang it on the wall. The integrated wall mount makes it easy to put in any room. Easy volume controls. LEDs light up to show your volume controls when you approach it. Sustainable materials. Fabric covering made from recycled plastic bottles. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Nest speaker. See you in the next one.